So friend, in today's video we will know about the Oppo handset. Due to many comments on this Oppo handset, so it's known from the comments that there is lots of locking complaint is coming. So in today's video I will tell you unlocking tips that you can unlock your phone without going any service center and without help of any computer, without help of any data cable. So just you have to follow some simple step with me and you watch this video continuously without a skip, then you will be able to understand about this process very well. So this method is called offline method. As you can see that emergency calls option is given here, so just you have to click on it and we have already clicked. So now the next step is we are going to giving you some number which is secret code and which is used in service center also, and this code is a star 69932 a star 899 and hash. If you want to note down this code, if you want to note down and if you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. It may be friend there are I am telling what I tell you in the secret code, it may be support in many handset but may not be support in many handset. If you not support in your handset, please comments in my channel, I will give you some better suggestion for this. So now you have to call here minimum three time you have to press on call button and ignore the pop-up message and erase all the numbers, and next step star has 899 and has, because this code is very important. Without this code we cannot do anything, because this is the main engineer mode code and this code is very valuable for unlocking process. And as you can see, engineer mode is page is open activated now, and there are lots of option is coming. So first we have to check your software version. So our android version is 12. So first android version or mainboard version, whatever it is. So because my handset is Realme, because I'm not going to tell you for Oppo, we don't have Oppo because this is Realme handset, but tricks is the same. So first we have what your Android version, press on it, because our Android version or mainboard version is 12, so I am pressing here 12 tab. If your Android version or mainboard version is 865 anything, you just press the same. Now come back from this option and press the manual test and second row device debugging page. After that you have to check gyroscope test, gyroscope self test, and press here a start. Now you can see there will be some number he is asking, so just you can see and come back and press sensor self test calibration and press the both option. We wait for past, because gyroscope accelerometer both are the operation. Text field here, so we have to press again on this option and press on this. Again we have to apply this code, this process without past we cannot we will take next step. Now you can see gyroscope is passed and the come back from this option, and the last option and the last main option is database version or mainboard version. Press here 12 times whatever you first earlier we have to press, just press here same number. And now check your key status, rewrite important log test and confirm here and check your key status. As you can see all are passed. Now your handset will be unlocked. Now it's time to press the home button. Now as you can see friend, phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application and without help of any service center or computer. So friend, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share. I will meet you in the next video with a better solution. Bye.